There's a brand new YouTube Shorts niche going viral right now, and almost nobody is talking about it. This is the animal skeleton educational niche, and it's quietly exploding across YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. You've probably seen those viral skeleton education videos, but now creators are evolving the format. Instead of human skeletons, they're using hyper-realistic animal skeleton animations. And the results? Crazy. I found a channel with just 14 uploads that has already crossed over 50,000 subscribers. Some of their animal skeleton shorts are pulling in millions of views. And the craziest part? The videos are simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create viral animal skeleton educational shorts using AI tools. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end, because missing one small detail can completely kill your retention. Now let's dive in. The very first step to creating viral animal skeleton educational shorts is choosing the right concept, building the correct scene prompts, and getting script. To make this simple, I've created a ready-to-use Google Doc with optimized prompts specifically designed for the animal skeleton animation niche. These prompts are structured to help you generate hyper-realistic skeleton visuals and script. You'll find the link to that Google Doc in the description below, so make sure you check it out. And if you've made it this far, hit the like button right now, because it signals the YouTube algorithm that this content is valuable and helps push it to more creators who want to grow with viral AI shorts. All right, now let's jump back in. Head over to the Google Doc and copy the prompt there. Once you've copied it, open your preferred AI writing tool. For this tutorial, I'm using ChatGPT. Paste the entire prompt directly into the chat box. Then make a few important custom edits to tailor it to your video idea. First, enter the animal you want to feature in your short. For this example, I'll use a cat. Next, specify what you want the animal to do or eat in the video. For this tutorial, I'll use eating raw meat. Then decide how many scene prompts you want. The number of scenes will determine the pacing and total length of your YouTube short. Finally, replace the animal name in both empty spaces inside the visual description section. This ensures your AI-generated animal skeleton visuals stay consistent across every scene. Once everything is customized, simply hit enter. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a clickable YouTube Shorts title, a structured narration script, and detailed AI visual prompt for each scene, all designed to help you create viral animal skeleton educational content that stands out on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. The next step is generating high-quality images, and for this, we'll be using Google ImageFX. Start by heading over to Google ImageFX and logging in with your Gmail account. Once you're inside, click on Settings and set your aspect ratio to 9:16. This step is critical. The 9:16 vertical format is the standard for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. After that, go back to ChatGPT and copy the first visual scene prompt that was generated for your animal skeleton video. Make sure you copy the entire prompt so the AI understands every detail. Then return to Google ImageFX, paste the prompt into the text box, and click Generate. Within seconds, ImageFX will usually generate multiple variations at once. Take your time reviewing each option carefully. Once you've chosen the best image for that specific scene, download it directly to your device. Then simply repeat the exact same process for the remaining scene prompts until you've generated all the images needed for your animal skeleton educational short. The next step is turning all your AI-generated images into smooth, eye-catching animated video clips. And for this, we're using Flow AI. Start by heading over to Flow AI and clicking New Project. This will bring you into the main creation interface. Once you're there, make sure the mode is set to frame to video, and double-check that your aspect ratio is set to 9:16. Next, upload your first image into the project. To control how the animation behaves, Flow AI needs a clear, descriptive prompt. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the same visual scene prompt you used to generate the image. Then return to Flow AI, paste the prompt into the prompt box, and click Generate. Within moments, your static image will come to life, transforming into a smooth, realistic video clip. After the animation is complete, preview it. As you can see, the movement feels natural, dynamic, and it's exactly what we want. Once you're satisfied, download the video directly to your device. Now repeat this same process for each of your remaining images, one by one, until all scenes are converted into animated clips. The next step is generating a professional, realistic voiceover, and for this, we're using ElevenLabs AI. Start by heading over to ElevenLabs and creating an account. Once you're logged in, click on Instant Speech to open the creation interface. Next, go back to ChatGPT and copy the narration script for each scene of your short. Paste each script into ElevenLabs text box. Make sure you include all lines exactly as generated. Once your script is pasted, click on Voices. You'll see a wide selection of realistic AI voices. Preview different voices and select the one that best matches the tone and style of your animal skeleton short. After selecting your voice, click Generate. In just seconds, your voiceover will be ready. Download the audio directly to your device. The final step is bringing everything together with editing, and for this, we'll be using CapCut. Start by opening CapCut and clicking New Project. Then import all the animated video clips you generated earlier. Make sure to arrange them in the correct sequence so your story flows naturally. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16. If any clip has watermarks or logos, click on it and stretch or crop until they're no longer visible. Next, import the voiceover you generated with ElevenLabs. Carefully align each segment of the voiceover to match the scene it's describing. Accuracy here is key for retention and watch time. Once your clips and audio are synced, it's time to add transitions. Click on Overlay Transitions. Browse the available options. Select your preferred style and apply it to all clips for a polished cinematic flow. Next, add captions to boost accessibility and engagement. Click on Text, then select Auto Captions. Choose your preferred caption style. Click Generate and adjust the positioning so they don't block the visuals but remain easy to read. Now watch your video from start to finish. When satisfied, click Export, increase the resolution to 4K, and download the finished video to your device. Now let's take a look at our final result.
What if a cat started eating only raw meat? Day 1, the first bite changes everything. Week 1, more protein. Muscles begin waking up. The frame looks tighter, stronger. Month 1, lean mass increases. Bite force intensifies. Predator mode unlocked. Month 6, bone density increases. Explosive power. Every leap hits harder. Year 1, pure carnivore dominance. Maximum strength, maximum precision. This isn't just a cat anymore, it's a machine.
Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and drop any questions in the comment section.